back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. If you are watching me for the first time, then my name is Prasansa, and take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll upload a new video. So today's video is about my afternoon skincare routine. So yes, you heard it right, it's my afternoon skincare routine. Most people do only morning at night and night skincare routine, but I have severe oily and acne prone skin, so it is very much mandatory for me to take extra care of my skin, and I had to include a afternoon skincare routine because after doing my first morning skincare routine, by the time it's afternoon, my face gets oily, more oily, and it gets itchy. So it's very much mandatory for me to do a skincare routine or at least do something on my face. So I have been using this certain products in my afternoon skincare routine, and it has changed my skincare game. And if you want to know what are the products that I use and how I use them, then please watch this video till the end. And having said that, let's start with the video. The first thing that I do is wash my face, and I have been loving the Biotique Bio Pineapple Oil Control Foaming Facial Wash. This is for normal to oily skin, and this is how it looks. I mean, this doesn't strip your face, and it's very gentle on the face. And in the afternoon, because I have already done my skincare routine in the morning, I don't like using those kind of products that actually strips my skin or that it makes my skin too dry. And this is the one that I love. So I'll just wet my face, and now I'm gonna apply this face wash. I'm gonna show you how the face wash looks, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna apply this. I'm gonna take some more, and I'm gonna apply this. I really like the fragrance of this face wash, and this doesn't foam up much. It is really gentle on the skin. Doesn't as I said, doesn't strip the face, doesn't make my face too much dry after using. And also, one thing, while washing your face, make sure that you are massaging the face wash on your face for at least a minute, because it has to, the face wash has to work on your skin, and it has to take out all the oil. So it is very much important. And don't forget your neck area too, because this is also important. Now that I have applied my face wash properly and massaged my face, and now I'm gonna wash and I'll be right back. Next, I'm gonna use an essence. I'm not gonna use a toner because I use toner 2 times in a day, and that I include in my morning and night skincare routine. But I think if I do it in the afternoon, I think it will be very much too much for my skin, and I don't want my skin to irritate much. So I'm gonna directly jump into an essence. I like using essence, and sometimes I go for serums also, but currently I have been loving this essence, and this is the L'Oreal Revital Lift Crystal Micro Essence. And I just love how watery this is. This is not quite heavy like how serums are. Serums are more heavy, but this is like, you feel that it feels like a water, and you just have to dab this on your face. I don't rub this on my face, and this is the way that essence has to be used. And truly, this doesn't have much fragrance. You're not gonna get irritated with the fragrance because it doesn't have that kind of hard fragrance, and it makes the skin so soft and supple after application. I really love, and I'm so happy that I included this in my afternoon skincare routine. And trust me guys, this has actually changed my skin. I have been loving this. I got a smaller one, but definitely I'm gonna get a bigger one as soon as this finishes. My skin feels so soft. The next product that I use in my afternoon skincare routine is this Lakme Sun Expert After Sun Gel. Now I do my afternoon skincare routine at around 3 p.m. So by that time, the sun is at its height, and the sun rays can actually penetrate through the doors and windows and get into your skin and damage it. And this is the gel that has to be applied after getting exposed to the sun. But as Now I'm not going out, you know, because of lockdown and everything, but still I feel this is doing a great job, because even when I'm at home, the sun rays, as I said, the sun rays can pass and get into your skin and get damaged. And the other thing, this really cools the skin. I just love the fragrance of you know, it is so cooling. This has lemongrass and cucumber in this. It suits the skin so much. My skin has actually like, I can say that my skin like this product, and this has this kind of really cooling effect on the skin. I'm gonna massage this nicely on my face. I'm gonna take some time and massage this on my face. By the way, I'm looking there because I have a mirror over there, and it is easier to look over there and do my skincare. The next product that I use in my afternoon skincare routine is a moisturizer, and currently I am loving the Pond's Light Moisturizer, and this is how it looks. I have been using this since around a month, and I absolutely love this. This is so lightweight. Oily skin people, you are gonna love this, because this doesn't leave any sheen on your face. This just, you know, gets absorbed on the skin so nicely. And I like the other one too, the gel one too, but this is the one that I like more, I think. Okay, now my skin has already absorbed the moisturizer, and you can see that it doesn't leave any kind of sheen on the face, and it just looks so healthier after applying this moisturizer. I just love this moisturizer. If you are someone who has oily and acne prone skin like I do, you should definitely give this a try. This is just an awesome product, and in fact I will recommend this moisturizer for all skin type. All skin type people are gonna love this. So next product that I have been loving and I have introduced in my afternoon skincare regime is a sunscreen, and currently I have been loving the Pond's Sun Protect Non-Oily Sunscreen. Now this is such a beautiful sunscreen, guys, and this is SPF 30, but you can go with SPF 50 also, but I like using this one. The reason being, this is so matte, it feels so matte on the skin. I like using something that is more matte, and this doesn't leave my face, you know, kind of looking shiny, and it gives that nice matte finish, and I just love the sunscreen. I'm gonna rub some on my fingers and gonna apply this all over my face. As I told you guys, this is so nice. You might be thinking that it is leaving a white cast on the face, but just massage it for some 20 seconds around. Another good thing about this is really affordable. The last thing that I like using in my afternoon skincare routine is a lip balm. So if you know me, you know how much I love lip balms. I cannot do without a lip balm. I mean, I have included a lip balm in my morning and my night skincare routine and in my afternoon skincare routine, and whenever I get a chance, I just go and grab a lip balm and just apply it. Just can't do without a lip balm. And I have been currently loving and included this in my afternoon skincare routine, and this is from Nivea. This is the strawberry flavored one, and this has that kind of nice you know, light color. So guys, these are the products that I use in my afternoon skincare routine, and after I have started doing this routine, my skin has just changed. You can see that I have such a nice hydration on my skin. I do have certain acne issue, but it has reduced like 90%, and I am really loving how my skin looks and how I feel. And yeah, that's it. This is my afternoon skincare routine, and if you are thinking of getting any of the product, I'll definitely recommend this. I have oily and acne prone skin, but I think these products are gonna work for all skin type. And having said that, guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video, and I hope this was helpful for you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.